Hi, I'm Marsh and I make things for a living. I specialize in working with artists, adding technology to their art pieces. Things like motion controls, lighting, sensors, whatever they need, I'll help them out. I also work with inventors building prototypes and small production houses building custom machines and setting up production lines. The shop here has a complete machine shop, a complete wood shop, an electronics and computer lab. We are set up to handle any technology need. That's why the place is called Wildman Technology and Fabrication. We like to feature our more interesting projects on our YouTube channel, Wildman Tech. And if you want to see what's coming up on YouTube, check out our Instagram. That's wildman.tech, which is also the address of our website. So that's a little bit about me. Now let's hear about you. Please leave a comment on one of our YouTube videos or Instagram posts, and have a good one.